This DEWALT MT16 just arrived earlier today, and we're going to open it up and take a close look at it. This one is a bright yellow and black color, has a nice look to it, has a nice feel to it, nice spring action at the top. This one has regular and needle nose pliers, wire cutters, also has wire stripper, has a sharp knife and a serrated knife, scissors, wood and metal file, and it has screwdrivers, also with a fold-out carabiner, lanyard hole, and bottle and can opener. The knife is sharp and it is self-locking. Stainless steel parts have a nice shine to them. It's a really nice looking multi-tool, feels great. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have yourself a great day. Take care.